I'm Ty, I'm cabin crew, and welcome to Take Off Tuesdays, a vlog series that takes you behind the scenes at how we at British Airways get you ready for that all-important holiday. It doesn't get more behind the scenes than this. Take Off Tuesdays! I'm under the belly of the aircraft, and look at the wheels! It's almost, I'm not very tall, it's almost as tall as me. Look at that. Massive! I'm normally on that, so to see it from this magnitude is amazing. So big, I'm only small compared to it. One thing that I always do wonder is, how do they keep this aircraft so squeaky clean? Come with me, let's go. Can you tell I'm a bit excited? Very excited. Hi, so who are you?
Hi, my name's Billy. I work for Interops. This is one of our postings that we do with one aircraft. We choose a plane that's not flying out for a few hours. We soak it up, as you can see, and then we start scrubbing it. Once we've scrubbed it round, we rinse it down.
I'm about to get wet.
Oh, you're a natural.
I feel like I'm doing a workout, like I'm carrying weights. It's very heavy. Cancelling my gym membership. I feel like I needed this when I was younger and I lost all those water fights. Where was this tool? I would run. Everyone would run away from me. Hi guys, I'm working on the outside today.
Okay.
Right, you ready? There we go. I can't believe I managed to stay as dry as I did. That was no, apparently not. I'm soaking wet. Come back next Tuesday where I'll be a lot drier. Thanks for watching, guys.